I watched him.
Yeah? Hey, Zephyr, you can do some more singing for him? He really liked your singing.
Crack, crack, crack. Crack, crack, crack. Crack, 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 crack. Crack, crack.
She's called attention mechanism.
Well, she's an entertainer. Zephyr is definitely an entertainer.
It's been so long, I don't know how I couldn't even remember things like that.
Hey, Zephyr, don't kick, but come closer over here to Zach and do more games for him. He was laughing and smiling at you.
Ding, 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 ding.
Could you do more games for him? Yeah, do more games. Come here. He might not want to sleep, but he was smiling at your games. You want to do more games for him?
Go to sleep,
Okay, come. Sing to Zach. Funny girl.
Is it this quiet where you live?
Mm-hmm.
It's wonderful.
Zephyr.
Why don't you sit here?
Yeah, that's it. End of that one. See you later.
See you later.
See you
I was
later.
a baby at the Little House.
Signing off for Miss Diana's. Bye-bye.